Zipper 1 slider, 1 zipper and 1 slider, fabric, 1 snap hook, 1/2 ring, fabric, fabric, lining 3 times, on the smaller fabric piece, make a mark at the center of the longer side. Apply glue over the entire piece and let it dry. On the longer fabric strip, draw a center mark along the longer length. Apply glue over the entire fabric and let it dry. Fold the sides of the first fabric piece to the center mark. Repeat the same with the second fabric piece, folding the sides to the center mark. Set both pieces aside. Fold the larger fabric piece in half. Make a mark at the center. Repeat the center marking. Round the 2 corners on the same side. Cut along the markings. Make a mark connecting the 2 cuts previously made at the center. From the center, make a mark above the previous line. Make the same mark on the opposite center point. Create a parallel mark next to the line connecting the cuts. Make additional parallel marks on both sides. Join the marks together to form a rectangle. Cut the rectangle using a craft knife and ruler. Place the fabric over the lining and mark the rectangle. Cut the same rectangle in the lining. Apply glue close to the edge of the rectangle on both sides. Insert the slider into the zipper. Apply glue along the edge of the zipper. Place the zipper aligned with the cut rectangle. Apply glue to the inside of the fabric. Apply glue to the inside of the lining, let dry and join both pieces. Insert the half ring into the small fabric piece and sew it. Fold the longer fabric strip in half along the width. Sew 2 seams. Seal the threads. Insert the snap hook. Fold the end, overlap it and sew. Sew around the zipper on all 4 sides. Place the fabric over the lining with right sides together and sew all around. Place the longer zipper along the edge of the fabric. Start at one straight corner, pass through the rounded corners and finish at the second straight corner. Leave the remaining straight side without the zipper. Place the lining over the zipper with right sides together. Sew along the zipper seam. Leave one side open to turn the piece. Trim the excess. Turn the piece through the opening. Top stitch along the previous seam. Sew the side that was left open. Trim the excess. Place the fabric with the half ring over the seam, with the ring facing inside. Sew it in place. Fold the piece in half with the lining facing out and align the seams. Insert the slider. Sew the folded side. Trim the excess. Apply bias binding for finishing, optional. Seal all threads. Turn the piece right side out. Attach the snap hook to the half ring.